Hello there! Thanks for joining us. Today we'll be creating this cute little snowman family on a coffee mug, and we think it's really cute. The paint used is a specially formulated paint to key onto ceramic, so let's get into it. We got this mug from our local department store. The design here can be found on our website. We shade the backside of the printout with a 6B pencil. Cut the printout out to the line, wrap the sheet around the mug and tape it into position. Using a sharp pencil, we then retrace the outline of the printout. Now that the pencil line is on the mug, we have to recreate this line work with black ceramic paint. Some black ceramic paint is poured onto a palette and applied with a number 4 liner brush. It is important to use a liner brush as they have very long bristles and can hold more paint, so longer paint strokes are possible. A good tip is to spin the brush as you are charging it. This will point the tip so you can get an even sharper line. We can then put all the colours into our snowman family. Red and green go into the hat. Orange into the carrot noses, red into the beanies and mittens, and more green onto the scarf. To bake the design, after 24 hours, the mug can be placed into an oven, preheated to 140 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Well, thanks for watching. Maybe you'd like to create a mug of your own. If you like this project, we've got loads more on our website. Jump online to check our Create blog and sign up with Creative Connection to get lessons, inspo, tips, and more sent directly to your inbox. Staying inspired doesn't have to cost a cent.